So I'll be showing you how to edit the caption of an Instagram post or Instagram reel. So what you want to do is just tap on your profile icon on Instagram, and then you have posts, and then here you have only reels, and here you have tagged posts. So you can actually edit the caption of your posts and reels. So for a normal post like this one, you can just tap on it and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on edit. And that will allow you to edit your caption. This one didn't have a caption, and even if it had, you can be able to delete the current caption, change it to whatever you need to change it to, and then tap on the check mark in the top right corner. Okay. Now for Instagram Reels, let's go to Reels, open any reel like this one, and then tap on the three dots here, and then tap on Manage, and then tap on Edit, and then now you'll have the option to edit the caption. So whether it's hashtags you wanted to add or some information you wanted to add, that's how you do that. Okay. When you're happy with it, just tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and that's going to save your new caption. So that's basically how to edit captions on Instagram posts and Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.